perfect latte without a machine. Fill an empty cup with 1/3 of hot milk. Here I used half milk and half soya milk. I like the way they go together. Now empty them into a French press. Close the lid and start moving it upwards downwards to froth the milk. When it reaches twice its size, then it's ready to be poured back in the cup. Notice the difference between before frothing and after frothing. Wash the French press and add 1 spoon of grinded coffee into it. When I'm in a hurry, I'd like to use a sealed grinded coffee in a pack. It locks its flavor. Now add half a cup of hot water and close the lid for 5 minutes. If I'm not in a hurry, I'd like to use a whole bean coffee and grind it myself. Now pour the hot coffee into the frothed milk and enjoy a cup of latte.